Ever pondered the secret to crafting crispy tofu tacos with avocado lime cream in your very own kitchen? Well, wonder no more. This tantalizing recipe combines the crunch of crispy tofu with a zesty avocado lime cream, all wrapped up in a warm tortilla. Begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients. You'll need a block of firm tofu, corn tortillas, an avocado, a lime, and some fresh cilantro. For the tofu marinade, prepare some soy sauce, maple syrup, and a dash of sesame oil. And don't forget the all-important spices: cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. First, press the tofu to remove any excess water. While the tofu is being pressed, mix together the soy sauce, maple syrup, and sesame oil in a bowl. Once ready, cut the tofu into cubes and marinate in the mixture for at least 20 minutes. While the tofu is soaking up those flavors, it's time to create the avocado lime cream. Mash the avocado in a bowl, squeeze in the lime juice, and add a pinch of salt. Stir until smooth. Now back to the tofu. Heat up some oil in a pan and toss in the marinated tofu. Sprinkle over the cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Stir fry until the tofu cubes are golden and crispy. Warm up your corn tortillas, either in the oven or on a griddle. Once warm, start assembling the tacos. Spread a generous amount of avocado lime cream on each tortilla, top with the crispy tofu, and garnish with fresh cilantro. And there you have it, crispy tofu tacos with avocado lime cream. This recipe delivers a burst of flavor with a satisfying crunch. The creamy avocado lime cream perfectly balances the spicy, crispy tofu, all wrapped up in a warm tortilla. This dish is not just a treat to your taste buds, but also a colorful addition to any meal. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's vegan. So next time you're in the mood for something fresh and satisfying, remember this recipe: crispy tofu tacos with avocado lime cream, a dish that truly ticks all the boxes.